Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we're gonna see how to sell digital products on WordPress. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So firstly, what is a digital product? So a digital product is just any product which comes in a file format. So for example, let's say a book or an audio file which you have prepared. So these are all digital products. So let's say you have a book in PDF format and you want to sell this book on your website. So for this, so in order to understand this video, in order to make your digital product sell on your website, firstly you need to have an e-commerce website. So if you don't have one, you can just go to the video, that the description that I'll mention it in the description, the link to the video. So you can go to that video, you can refer to it, and you'll get to know how can you create e-commerce website. So firstly, for this we need an e-commerce site, and if you don't have, as I have told you, I'll be sharing the link in the description. You can go there and you can check it out how to get the e-commerce website. And then we are going to follow some few steps in this video in order to sell our digital products on WordPress. So our first step will be creating digital product. So how to create a digital product? So let's say you have a PDF format of any ebook. So firstly, to create the digital product, we'll just go to the product section and click on add new products, and click on add new product, and here enter the product name. So as my product, the ebook is about, let's say it's about the WordPress, so I'll just give the name to be the WordPress, so WordPress guide, let's say to be a guide, so guide. And then once you scroll down here, you can find this so you can find this product data. So here you just need to enter the regular price. So let's say it's about 200 rupees, or 200 rupees. And let's say so this, as this is a downloadable, that is a digital product, we need to check this. So this is not a regular product, so it's a downloadable one. So here you just need to enter, you just need to click on add file in order to add your file. So let's click on add file in order to upload the file to this website. So in this way you can add the file, and then now here in this section you can just give some short description about your book or your PDF. So you can give like whatever it is. So I'll just fill it with some random thing just to show you. So then you can have some short note of the description about this product, and then you need to give the image, product image. So you just need to set the product wallpaper kind of thing. So you can just choose anything. So I'll just choose randomly just to show you. And then also you can give some product gallery also. By just clicking here, you can select some group of images and you can insert them to this gallery. So it's not much necessary when it comes to ebooks. So when you're done with everything, just click on publish. Like you can just click on publish, so that this will be published on your website. So now let's go back to our page and check how does this look on our website. So this is our website, and here you can find this WordPress guide. So let's click on this. WordPress guide in order to have a preview of this. So you can find that the title of the book has been given, the image has been given, so that like this you can just if it is a real book, you can just have a zoomed in look of this, and you get this description. So I have just mentioned it like PC Tips Pro. You can just use a brief description, and also once you click on add to cart, so it will be added to the cart. Let's see how does this look like. And then So usually happens what is, so when you click on add to cart, when you proceed to check out on your cart, so you it will usually ask you about the shipping address. So as this is a digital product, so the customer need not to enter the address field. So now let's see how can we able to remove this address fields. So for this we're gonna install a plugin in the WordPress. So let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. So in order to install this plugin, so in the left side section you can find this plugins option. So scroll down, so here you can find this plugins option. So click on add new plugin in order to add a new plugin. So once you click on this, now you can go search for the plugin. So let's search for a plugin called as you just need to search for a plugin called as digital goods. So let's search for it, digital goods. So you can now click on install. So once this gets installed, you can just click on activate. So then once this gets activated on your WordPress, so we have successfully installed this plugin. So then you can find it. So you can use this plugin in order to change this, like in order to remove this billing section addresses and billing section fields. So after that you can just click on save. So this plugin will be helpful for you to remove the billing addresses and all. So nextly, if you are using the Instamojo, you can just unselect this billing price. So then now once you complete the purchase, you will be able to download. So let's see how does this look when you after purchasing the product. So this is how it looks like. So the user can go here and just click on this in order to purchase this, in order to download this guide. So this is how you can add digital product to your site. So if you observe here, you can find that the downloads remaining seems to be infinity. So which means that once a customer has purchased a product, they can download it as many times as they want. So now if you want to set limit to download, we can do that easily by just going to the dashboard. So we are on the WordPress dashboard. So now if you want to set the limit to the download, so let's go to the products section. So go to the products and click on all products. So in the products list, so now you'll get some products list that are already on your site. So this is my product list. So in the product list, so open your product. So once you open your product, you'll see something like this. So here in this section, so let me just quickly let it load, and then here you can find that you do have some download limit. So you can just simply set this download limit, so it is unlimited. So if you want to set your download limit, you just need to enter the number here. So if you leave this blank, so it will be for unlimited re-downloads. So now let's set this download limit to be 2, so that which means that the customer can download your product twice only. So let's after doing this, let's click on update in order to save these changes. So let's see how does this look like when the person purchases your product. So now we can see that the downloads remaining are 2 now. So let's see, let's say the person have downloaded twice this file. So then if the person tries to download the third time, what happens? So he'll be getting this kind of pop-up that sorry, you have reached your download limit for this file. So this is how it shows up. So this is all how you can set the download limit to your digital product. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.